Good morning students. Today in this video we will be discussing about the sources of raising capital. After watching this video you will be able to understand what are the various sources of raising capital, what do we mean by equity share, preference share and the differences between equity and preference share. So let us start. Do you know students, a business firm can raise fund from two main sources. One is own fund and the other one is borrowed fund. Own fund refer to funds provided by the owners. On the other hand, borrowed funds refer to the fund raised through debentures and loans from banks and financial institutions. There are two types of financing. One is long-term financing and the other one is short-term financing. Long-term finance means those sources from where the fund are raised for a longer period of time, usually more than 1 year. And short-term finance means the source from where the fund are raised within 1 year. Let us see the long-term finance. Number one is equity share. Now what is share? The amount of capital to be raised from members of the public is divided into units of equal value. These units are known as shares and the aggregate value of shares is known as share capital of the company. Hope students you all have understood the meaning of shares. Now what are equity shares? Equity shares are those shares which do not carry any special or preferential rights in the payment of annual dividend or repayment of capital. And rate of dividend on such shares are not fixed. Equity shares have the last claim but full voting rights. Now what is preference share? Preference shares are those shares which carry certain preferential or priority rights. Dividend at a fixed rate is payable on these shares before any dividend is paid on equity shares. But preference shares do not carry voting rights. Now let us see the difference between preference shares and equity shares. Now on the basis of right to dividend. Dividend is paid on preference share before it is paid on the equity shares. On the other hand, dividend is paid on the equity shares after it is paid on the preference shares. On the basis of rate of dividend is fixed in preference share. On the other hand, rate of dividend is fluctuate with profit in equity shares. Now on the basis of redemption, preference share may be redeemed after a fixed period or at the option of the company. On the other hand, equity shares not repayable during the lifetime of the company. On the basis of voting rights, preference share do not have voting rights. On the other hand, equity shares have full voting rights. So these were the differences. Okay, this much is for today's class. Hope students you all have understood what do we mean by equity shares and preference shares and their differences. Thank you. Have a great day.